Okay, I must have turned it down. Okay, so this is the inside of the house. Here. This is another division over here. Guys. Oh, fuck. This is big. This is big, guys. I'm not liking this very much because driftwood, ceiling fell. Okay, there's some needles here, look. Motherfuckers. Addiction is a bitch. Okay, I'm gonna go here just for a bit, guys. We're gonna check. I'm afraid that this is gonna fall. It's the wasps that worry me, guys. John P in the house, guys. Oh fuck, there's an entrance to the... Ah, this must be for them to run away. Yep, it is. Guys, you see? You can go over there. That's not very stable. Can you see, guys? I'm not going there today. Oh, maybe I'll go in a minute. Let me just go and check for my bikes and see if everything's all right. If no one is there. Okay, nobody's there. Guys, this house is huge as fuck. Okay, guys. I'm gaining strength to go over there. Okay, that seems to be quite steady. It's not falling, nor is this. Oh, fuck, guys. Fuck, guys. This is more than incredible. Look, I'm a bit afraid of being here. We can go through the back here. Damn, the house is very big. Huge house. I'm leaving, guys. Okay. Hope you enjoyed, my friends. I only found the golf ball here. I will look for more golf balls. But I don't think that was maybe someone who was playing over there and threw in them. Let me see if there are any more golf balls I can see. Guys, loved this adventure, guys. See you on the next one. I've done a video of this place before. Today I went inside, okay, guys? Maybe some other day I'll go to the woods behind, but I need like a scissor to cut these spiny needles because they cut as fuck. Love you guys. Bless you.